He'll be coming soon. I can sense it. Once he's dead, I'll be free. Free to conquer, to take what is rightfully mine. They think they can destroy me? That they can crush Norman Osborn with their petty finances? A few business reverses? What are they to a man with my power? Nothing! Tonight is my day, and we play by my rules. Quite my friend. My weapons are many. All you have are those puny little web shooters. An anger that won't quit.
Breathe out of... Oh, nigga!
You killed my girl. A human life. Life? You talk to me of life? What worth is there the paltry existence of one useless female? You're talking about my lady. Someone I loved. Have you any idea what that means? I loved her, goblin!
Breathe out of... On your feet. This time you don't escape.